Coronavirus!
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another nail DIY video using polygel. I'm going to be using this polygel from Rosalind today, and this is the set that I'm going for. So if you guys are interested in seeing my nails go from crap to cute like in the beginning, then make sure you keep watching. Okay, so I'm starting out, I already cut my nails down, but I am gonna just like lightly file them and shape them up so they look really cute, because some of the nails are gonna be like a clear, where you're gonna be able to see through and see my nail through it. So I wanna make sure that my nails don't look crazy underneath the tip, because they are clear tips as well. And then I'm going in and pushing back my cuticles. I just try to like go through this part quickly because I do the same thing every single time, the same little routine, and you guys have seen it a bajillion times at this point. But that's what my nails look like, all cleaned and manicured and filed, squared away. And then I'm gonna go on with these stiletto tips from I purchased these off of Amazon. Everything that I purchase is pretty much off of Amazon, and it'll all be linked down below. They will be affiliate links, so you can choose whether or not you want to purchase through the affiliate link or not. Gluing on the tips, and I know I'm going for a coffin shape, and then I'm going to cut them down obviously, and then shape them up with my nail file. So that's what they look like, all glued on. They're super long, and then I cut them. I made sure that they were all even, and then I went ahead and I just buffed the surface. You want the surface to be buffed. You don't want to leave it shiny, because then the polygel won't stick and it won't last as long. So you want to buff your natural nail and the tip. And then I'm going in with this primer. I'm pretty sure I was supposed to do the dehydrator first and then the primer, but I kind of switched it around. So that was my fault, but I'm not 100% sure. You guys know I'm not a professional. I don't claim to be a professional. I'm DIY queen, okay? I just like to do it on myself, and I film it for you guys because you guys enjoy it so much. So when you leave your tips and your comments and concerns in the comment section, I always read them and I appreciate them. I can't believe I didn't even show you guys the foundation bottle for the gelish kit, but you guys know I use this gelish kit in literally every single video. It's just, it really is just so helpful because it comes with everything that I need to do my little gel sets, my polygel sets and my gel sets. So I'm going in with a layer of the foundation. I cured for 60 seconds. And then I'm going in with this shiny gel. It's literally just called shiny gel from Rosalind Polygel. I purchased this off of AliExpress. And I'm putting some alcohol in my little dishy dish. And this method of squeezing the polygel directly onto the nail is honestly like so easy once you get the hang of it. I squeeze a little bit too much for the shiny gel, so you're gonna see how I basically I'm shaping the nail, and then whatever's excess I'm gonna just roll off of the tip of the nail into like a bead. And the great thing about polygel is because it doesn't dry until you cure it, I can use that bead on another nail. So I just love polygel. It's really easy to use, and I feel like squeezing it directly from the bottle onto the nail is the best method. Especially because the Rosalind polygel is not very sticky, and I don't use a lot of alcohol with it. I'm using 70% alcohol, by the way. I don't think I said that earlier. But because it's not a super sticky polygel, I'm able to just like form my nails super easy and quick. When I tell you I laid this polygel like per finger, it probably took me like a minute, like 60 seconds, and the nail was formed. And because consistency of the Rosalind polygel, it does level out pretty much like on its own. You can even flip your hand upside down and the polygel will level out so that it's really smooth and even. And yeah, so for the ring finger, I did the shiny nail with the glitter in it, which I thought was really cute. And then the middle finger, I did the icy blue color from Rosalind. And then for the index finger, which is what I'm doing now, I'm gonna do an ombre. I should have put more of the blue, you guys are gonna see next, but that clear, the clear glittery nail, it just looks so cute. So I'm going in with the icy blue So I did the clear, right, but I only did it 3/4 of the way on the nail. And then I put the blue polygel like just at the top near the cuticle, and I'm gonna overlap the blue onto the clear, obviously, because I'm doing an ombre, like a little fade. I shouldn't have taken off. I wanted to show you guys I took off way too much of the blue. Like when I was leveling it out, I should have left that there, but I didn't because I don't even know why. So, but this method, honey, it's so fast. Like, forget making like a little bead and doing it in beads. Like, squeezing it directly on is the new wave. Like, I don't know who else is doing this. I don't know if anyone else on YouTube is doing this, but this is my favorite method with using polygel. I just love it so much. Like, it's so fast. You just have to be careful with how much you squeeze onto the nail and make sure that you don't squeeze on too much of the polygel, which sometimes I do, but again, because it doesn't dry until you cure it, you can always use that excess polygel for whatever you need, you know, on another nail. For the thumb, I wanted to do like an encapsulated nail. I've never tried it with a colored polygel before. So I'm doing the blue, the icy blue color from Rosalind, and I'm doing like the V shape to make like a French tip V shape kind of situation, but it's blue and then it's gonna have the clear. So I formed my little V. And I'm not using a lot of alcohol. My brush seems like it's really wet, but I'm only dipping into the alcohol like once or twice per finger, so. And then before I go in with the clear, you have to shape up the encapsulated nail, so I have to sharpen the sides of that icy blue polygel so that it looks really crisp and sharp once I lay the clear shiny gel on top or just around it. So that's what that looks like. I'm going in with the shiny gel. This clip being out of focus really upset my heart. Like, it made me sad. It upset me and my homegirls, you know, like, go in, pat that bad boy in. It's okay if it looks a little sloppy because you're gonna file it all away. And that's what my nails look like. I started filing them. I didn't show you after just laying the polygel, but I'm just cleaning up those edges, sharpening up those edges, making sure they're very sharp and crisp. I like a nice coffin shape, so that's what I'm doing. And then I'm showing you guys that I use this electric nail file that I purchased off of Amazon. I think this was like $20, like $20 or $25. Super affordable. And look at all the stuff that it came with. It came with so many different nail bits. I was like, wow. And it's portable too, so it doesn't have that big bulky base that it plugs into. It's just the handheld e-file, which I love because I can literally, like, if I needed to, I could take it with me, you know, somewhere. Or it's just easier to move around as opposed to having the, you know, the traditional one. So I really like that, and it's super affordable. Cleans my nails with a little bit of alcohol, and then I'm gonna go in with these little rhinestones that I purchased. I believe I got these off of Amazon as well. I have two different sizes. It's really small ones, and then I have larger ones, and I'm gonna use my gelish top coat from the Gelish kit. And I'm gonna do a layer of that first on this nail. I'm doing rhinestones on my pinky and on my middle finger. So for the pinky, I did a layer of the top coat, and then I cured it, and then I went in with a little bit more towards the cuticle area, and I'm just doing like a little C shape or semi-curve or semicircle of rhinestones right along the cuticle. I thought this would be like a really cute touch to the pinky nail. That pinky nail looks so good. Like, wow. Look at the shape of that. Yes, girl. Go ahead and cure that. And then I'm just doing top coat on the ring finger. I decided not to do any rhinestones. I mean, you can do whatever you please, whatever your heart desires. At this point, I was just freestyling it because I was like, it didn't come out exactly like the picture, but it was the same kind of vibe, you know? That's my top coat on the middle finger. And then for this one, I wanted the rhinestones to be a bit more dramatic and just a little bit more because this is like an accent finger. So I did one of the really big rhinestones right in the center, and then I did a cluster of smaller rhinestones all around it. And I don't really know what the shape of it is. Honestly, I was just doing anything, but it came out really cute. So you guys can just watch me do this. Oh, and just a tip to make sure that your rhinestones really like stay on for your entire duration of you having this set on your nails, you should cap the rhinestones with a little bit of the top coat, like not too much, because you don't want it to be like lumpy and bumpy. But you do want to make sure that they're like coated so that they don't catch on to anything and then pop off, because I've done that before where I didn't put enough and they just like easily popped off. And then for the remaining nails, I'm just going in with my clear top coat. Make sure you cap your edges. I cured for 60 seconds, and then I'm going in with my Gelish Nourish Cuticle Oil, and I'm just doing that all over the nails, and they look so good. They look so cute. At first, I was like, I don't know if I like this set because I don't do color. I'm such a nudes, neutrals kind of girl, but it came out so cute. Like, honestly, it came out really cute. If you guys like this set, if you love this set, give this video a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and join the fam. There will be new videos 2 times a week. My new upload schedules is going to be Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'm officially setting those days as my upload schedule, so make sure your post notifications are turned on. Don't forget, you are smart, you are beautiful, and people love you. I love you, and I can't wait to see you at my next upload. Bye.